My service learning project was Toys for Tots Cheer for Charity. This is the 15th annual event, and I have volunteered for the past 4 years now. This is actually hosted by an all-star cheerleading coach. Her name is Tara Wieland. She also owns Michigan Storm Cheer and Dance and Aftershock Trampoline Park in the Midland Mall. She has been the one to host this event for the past 15 years now. She's also the one that came up with this amazing event, which this does not surprise me at all because ever since I have known her, she has always been one to give back to her community or give back to anybody in need at all. A lot of planning went into this event, organization, getting teams together, getting volunteers involved, figuring out who goes where, and most importantly, getting a facility that would not charge for this event. So 100% of this event's proceeds were able to go to Toys for Tots. This was held at Garber High School on December 9th. To get into the event, a $5 donation fee was charged or a brand new toy, and every single proceed went right to Toys for Tots. A bake sale was also present. All the cheer moms, the dance moms, everybody came together, baked some goods, and the bake sale was donation only, and that all also went to Toys for Tots. Sunshines is one of the tiny teams at Michigan Storm Cheer and Dance that I help coach every once in a while. They were one of the 8 cheer teams, I believe, that performed at the event today. Other performances included dance teams. I believe there was 31 dance teams that performed at the event. They were all super entertaining and fun to watch. In the years I was able to volunteer at this event, this year's crowd was the biggest and best yet. Nothing compares to seeing the good people that are still in this world today, and knowing the local community members are going to receive a great Christmas partially due to this event. A grand total of $3,000 and over 250 toys were collected, and that will all be headed to Toys for Tots by Wednesday night. This was an amazing day filled with amazing performances and amazing people all around. Pictures throughout this presentation were all obtained by me with permission from the athletes' parents and coaches. If anybody is interested in volunteering for the 16th annual event next year, just get a hold of me and I will help you figure out how.